how does FusionAuth handle two-factor authentication? Stuart, do you want to chime in and I'll jump in after?
Yeah, so it's built right into it. With your API calls, say that you're making to authenticate a user, you can use that to trigger a send out to one of the two-factor authentication services. I believe you may have to correct me down here that it works okay with almost every authenticator app and works over SMS as well. I believe via Twilio was the service. Correct? Am I correct?
100%. Yeah. So
Great.
we support those two different forms of
Yeah.
time-based one-time passwords, which are Authy and Google Authenticator, and then also Twilio and SMS.
Sure. And as with
Great.
almost everything, it can be done entirely through the FusionAuth UI if you decide to use the hosted login pages. And if you do it on using the APIs, there's a bit more you have to do yourself to manage it, but it's all right there ready to go.